Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Alright my people, Dancehall skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone's okay and alright, you see. Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that have been recorded within the country that is known as United States of America. I don't have any information as to when the video will be recorded. The video shows some things that happened when law enforcers from within the country that is known as United States of America shut down or raided an event that had been held somewhere within the country that is known as United States of America. Now, if you look and listen to the video carefully, you might get an understanding as to where the video will be recorded. And I would like you to tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some things that a person said in this video. Now, please bear in mind that in this video, you can hear harsh language. So viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe with me.
Hey, who would imagine this piece of They didn't have police for Buffalo shooting. They didn't have police for Texas shooting. But they have police to shut down Kes in Atlanta.
Kes.
Just imagine that. Just imagine.
Kes.
Fire department say too many people inside. They put the lights on. The only thing they didn't do is play the anthem. And then the police and them come. They come inside and say, you gotta leave. Look at what's happening outside on the streets of Atlanta. Never in Trinidad. Oh, 2023, I'll be in Trinidad. Okay. Imagine this. But only didn't have police for Buffalo. You didn't have police for Texas. But you have police for Kes. And the set of West Indian black people in Atlanta. Oh boy. If I didn't tape this, you would not believe what I am saying. They're all over the place. You swear it's a shooting in the Oasis.
The person made at least 1 point. Yep, the person made at least 1 point in that video, viewers and subscribers. You see? Kes. Anyways, let me know what you think, my people. Do you agree or you disagree with the things that the person said in that video? Alright, next topic. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you had been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any information as to when the video will be recorded. The video shows some things that happened after a man who was wanted by the police within the country of Trinidad and Tobago had been apprehended by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. It is said that the man somehow got injured and that the man was trying to evade the police, viewers and subscribers. The video shows the man with blood on his face and on his chest, viewers and subscribers. See? And in the video, you can hear a law enforcer asking the man certain questions, and you can also hear the man replying or responding to questions that the law enforcer asking, viewers and subscribers. It is said that the man was placed in handcuffs and that the man was taken into police custody. Now, viewers and subscribers, one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And you can also tell me what you think about the video as well. And please remember that this video shows a man with blood on his face and blood on his chest. Alright, so before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe.
Come, go up so, come. Come. Right.
Yeah.
Now watch me go, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm acting Corporal Williams, my task force. A short while ago, you jump from that wall.
Yeah.
Watch, I wait to see what you wall. Watch. You jump from that wall there? That height?
From the side.
From the side?
The side of the neighbor here inside.
On this side here? That was 30, 40 feet there?
Inside.
You jump from there? To do what? Where you jump from there for?
To 10 feet there.
Where you jump from there for?
To come down over here on
For
the
what?
side.
What's the reason?
For nothing happening from my daughter.
What nothing happening from the daughter?
To not to be held in front of my daughter.
You know you're a wanted person, right?
Yes, sir.
You saw yourself from me on the tape.
Yes, sir.
What is your name, sir?
Tony Popina.
Kern,
Pupina.
Purpinac.
Yes.
You have warrants at the Belmont police station.
Yes, sir.
Police came to your house just now. Tried to apprehend you. You jump through the window and they jump over this wall. Is that correct?
Well, I fight for my life too.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You run for your life, you jump through the window and you jump over this wall. Right?
Yes, sir.
Come to your foot.
Good.
Get a bad foot from before you say.
On the left, and I get damaged just one while on the way running.
On the way what?
Running.
Right. That was you on your call, eh? I hear you.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Where the officers from you hiding?
In the drain.
Right. That was on your call, your injuries, eh? Hey, no, I want
Yes, sir.
you want to tell you, right?
Yes, officer.
I tell you again, I'm Corporal Williams on the task force.
Yes,
They came to arrest you, outstanding warrants, and you run out your window, run on a roof, and jump over a wall. This wall here, onto the roadway. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Nice, too bad. Pay me the man.
Well, viewers and subscribers, I guess if you do crime, there are certain consequences that you're going to face. Is what I say to people. Yeah, man. Yeah, the video has been talked about on social media because of certain things that you can hear and see in the video, viewers and subscribers, and I really like for real. So that's how far the man jumped from, like for real. That's quite a height. That's quite a height, my people. Crime don't pay. Crime do not pay. And I think that is common knowledge by now to each and every adult out there. Now, I want to say this to each and everyone who are living on Caribbean islands and within certain places within the United States of America, and to people who are living in certain countries that are connected to the Caribbean, that they should batten down for this hurricane season. Because I read a news article that gave me the understanding that news article said that a hurricane that is known as Hurricane Agatha caused the flooding and mudslides that killed at least 11 people and left at least 20 people missing within the country that is known as Mexico. The news article said that a governor in Mexico said that rivers overflowed their banks and swept away people in homes while other victims were buried under mud and rocks. The news article said that the hurricane that is known as Hurricane Agatha made landfall on Monday afternoon, that's the 30th of May, the year 2022 in Mexico, and that the hurricane was a strong category 2 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 105 miles per hour, but it quickly lost power moving inland. Viewers and subscribers, it's really and truly a sad situation. You understand? Really sad for you, them things, them people. You understand? So, batten down. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know me I go try do my best to batten down to me. I tell you the truth, people. Next topic. Now, I saw a video that shows when a man pulled a grown adult from outside of a thing that looks like a crocodile or a alligator. Now, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, that thing that looks like a crocodile or a alligator seems to be fake, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, because I look at the video carefully and I said to myself, how is it that a grown adult somehow got swallowed whole inside of a crocodile or a alligator without any injury? Not injuries, viewers and subscribers. So me think about that. But then again, viewers and subscribers, you see, maybe someone just somehow cut off a piece of the video and post it on social media to try and make it look a certain way. You understand? See? But on a real, I think that the video clearly shows that that thing that seems to look like a crocodile or a alligator is not a crocodile or alligator. You see me I say? So, I just make you know what I think about that video on a real. You see me I say? I don't know if the video is a publicity stunt or what. You understand? But someone brought the video to my attention, and really and truly, me I tell you what I think about the video, viewers and subscribers. Just in case if you see it, that's my thought. Alright? Or my thoughts, I should say. Anyways, next topic. Now, I saw a video on social media that shows when a driver slams a motor vehicle in a police car repeatedly and damaged other motor vehicles before driving away from the scene where that incident happened. See? Now, I did some research about the video, viewers and subscribers, and according to more than one news articles that I read, I got the understanding that the video had been recorded somewhere within the United Kingdom, and that the video had been recorded on the 21st of May, the year 2022. Now, in my words, viewers and subscribers, one of those news articles that I read said that driver in a allegedly stolen Audi motor vehicle repeatedly rams cops' cars before escaping in the motor vehicle. The news article said that the Metropolitan Police within the UK said that sometime after 12 p.m. on the 21st of May, the year 2022, police responded to a call about a potentially stolen motor vehicle at a place that is known as Eglin Close, that's within the United Kingdom. It is said that police arrived at the location and approached the motor vehicle and saw that there was a person laying in the driver's seat of the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. It is said that the police requested the person to open the window, but the person did not open the window. It is said that after the man refused from opening the window of the motor vehicle, police officers who was at the location tried to get inside of the motor vehicle. It is said that the person then used the motor vehicle to slam into police cars and damage other motor vehicles as well, viewers and subscribers. It is said that the person damaged several motor vehicles and then drove away from the location. See? Now, I did some research to see if that person had been apprehended by the police within the UK, viewers and subscribers, and I'm talking about the driver. However, I did not get any information if that person had been apprehended by the police within the UK. Alright? A part of the news article said that inquiries are ongoing and no arrests have been made. See? Yeah, so I just get information as well I get them viewers and subscribers. I did not get any information if anyone had been injured as a result of the whole situation or the incident, viewers and subscribers. No, I did not. I'm not saying that it didn't happen, but me, Dancehall Skilla, didn't get any information if anyone got injured. You understand me? The reason why I talk about this video is because this video has been talked about on social media, and maybe some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might have seen the video and don't know what really and truly happened when it comes down to the situation shown in the video, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yes, I'm just give some information just in case if you see the video and don't know what the whole situation was about. You understand, viewers and subscribers? All right. Yeah, I think I am gonna left it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what to think about the things that I told you in this video. Let me know what to think about those videos that I presented to you. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm gonna big up on yourself, is it? Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla!